Experiment number 2 from organic preparation. The aim of this experiment is preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. Theory of this experiment is the acid derivatives such as amides, anylides, esters, etc. are easily hydrolyzed to their corresponding acids on boiling with water. The reaction is catalyzed by both acids and bases. Benzamide is hydrolyzed to sodium benzoate by boiling with sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium benzoate on acidification gives benzoic acid. Chemicals used in these experiments are aniline, 10% NaOH, benzoyl chloride. The apparatus required for this experiment are conical flask, beaker, funnel, measuring cylinder. Now let's see the procedure of this experiment. Take 1 gram of benzamide and 10 ml of 10% NaOH solution in 250 ml conical flask. Then shake the reaction mixture and put the glass funnel over the flask. After this, boil it for 30 minutes or till the vapors coming out from the flask have no smell of ammonia. Then ammonia is evolved and the sodium salt of benzoic acid is formed in the solution. The flask is then cooled and the contents acidified with concentrated hydrochloric acid after transferring to a beaker. After this, needle-shaped crystal of benzoic acid separates out from reaction mixture. After this, recrystallize the crude benzoic acid from hot water. Then allow the product to dry in a hot oven. After completion of drying, weigh the product and calculate the percentage yield. So the next part of this experiment is calculation. In this experiment, limiting reagent is benzamide, so yield should be calculated from its amount taken. The molecular formula of benzamide is C7H7NO. In benzamide, there are 7 carbon atoms, 7 hydrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Each one is multiplied by its atomic mass number. Okay. So the molecular weight of benzamide is 121 gram per mole. The molecular formula of benzoic acid, that is our main product or end product, is C7H6O2. So there are 7 carbon atoms in benzoic acid, 6 hydrogen atoms in benzoic acid and 2 oxygen atoms. Again, each one is multiplied by its atomic mass number. So the molecular weight of benzoic acid is 122 gram per mole. In this reaction, the starting material is benzamide and end product is benzoic acid. So 121 gram of benzamide forms 122 gram of benzoic acid. Therefore, 1 gram of benzamide will form how much amount of benzoic acid? Here in procedure, we took 1 gram of benzamide. That's why here consider only 1. So 121 multiplied by x is equal to 122 into 1. So x is equal to 122 into 1 divided by 121. So the answer is 1.008 gram. That is our theoretical yield. Now practical yield, that is the product obtained by the procedure, is 0.70 gram. So the percent yield is equal to practical yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. The practical yield is 0.70 divided by theoretical yield, that is 1.008 multiplied by 100. The answer is 69.44%. So percent yield is 69.44%. The last part of this experiment is result. Weight of crude benzoic acid is 0.70 gram. Percentage yield of benzoic acid was found to be 69.44% and melting point of benzoic acid is 120 degrees Celsius.